Okay, well it's quite late in the day and I just came for a little motorbike ride to sort of do a recce of the area, and before I knew it I was being talked into a barely legal tour of the area in a boat. I say that because I believe I was meant to pay some kind of an entrance fee to the park, but they took me down some dodgy little dirt back road, and well, here I am anyway. So I'll come and do it another time and pay the entrance fee. I have to say, the first 2 days I've been here, I've just been stuck in the city centre, full of hectic traffic, and this is as beautiful as I was hoping, so pretty happy. And there's basically no one else here, so this is pretty cool. Yeah, nice.
Quiet. Morning no Sam.
Oh, really?
Yes, morning many people come here.
So I now have a special hat. Oh look, the floating supermarket.
Xuống là ngày nào vừa có chiều thì vừa chúng ta buổi cái nước lên nhá. Hello chú ai bia. Coca cà
A
phê.
beer.
Nhiều máu.
Well, almost seem rude not to at this point. How much beer?
Thì one euro.
€1.
One.
€1. How much is that?
25.
25,000. Okay.
Two beer.
No, just one is okay.
Wow. Very
Oh,
beautiful. Wait.
see what's happening here.
Đằng trước nó mới đẹp.
There's always a catch with these things.
Diện cho xinh gái
I
vậy.
have a feeling any money I just saved is about to be accounted for quite rapidly. Okay, I'm pretty sure I blend in now. Pretty sure I look just like a local.
Thấy không? Bỏng không?
No. Okay, I'll take the beer and the drinks. That's fine.
Okay.
Từ từ nó chụp ảnh bia ở đấy.
Ôi quên không lá nón à?
Ôi. I'm sorry, so. Hết chưa?
Oh, it's her hat. Okay, I've just stolen that lady's hat. I have to say, I went out for a little quick motorbike ride and it's this whole day has spiraled. Not in a bad way though. Very beautiful place. Ah, hat. You want your hat? Yeah? 75,000. You want the hat? €3. €3. Okay.
Cảm ơn.
Come on.
Cảm ơn nhiều. Thank you very much.
How you say come on?
Cảm ơn nhiều.
Nhau. Come on nhau. Okay.
Alo. Cái con gà chân to ai nó lặc vậy.
How's the serenity?
Có để mở
As we
khó
like
quá
to say.
thì chị cũng khó vậy nhỉ.
How's the serenity?
Look, you see mountain goat.
Mountain goat? Oh yeah.
But black.
Yeah, shit.
Yeah.
I don't think the camera can see it, but there's a bloody goat standing on a cliff, like right on the side of the cliff face. Wow.
Yeah.
Okay, I'm gonna put the camera. Oh, goats, yeah.
Ai vậy?
And looks like we've got another freaking cave coming up here, so that's pretty cool.
Khó vậy thì bỏ nơi ở đây khó vậy có lấy luôn rồi khó là sao có những thành phố nên phải coi những người cư dân khác xuống so với chế độ trước, còn ai như vậy thì mất nước nhiều lắm đấy.
I'd love to know what network these guys are with, because it's clearly not Vodafone. Because the phones have been going off non-stop, and just have a look where we are right now.
Bà cứ dạy con cơm vui vẻ, không vấn đề gì. Không bao giờ, hôm nay con đi thăm lúa, không may nó nhỡ một bữa bà về bà ngồi bà đợi một tí mà sao mà.
I don't get that kind of bloody reception 10 minutes outside of the city with Vodafone. I've got to say, this woman is taking multitasking to a whole new level. I don't think any man could do that. Roll a boat with your feet and talk on the phone at the same time. I'm impressed. I'd love to know what she's talking about. Probably what an annoying customer I am. Oh, very dark now. Holy shit, this is scary. Oh my god. Oh man, I feel like everything fell into place for me this afternoon, because you know, I read some things online and stuff about people that you know, said this whole trip was too crowded with other boats, you know, too many tourists. I don't know what time of year they were here. I read stuff about you know, how their boats got bombarded by other boats trying to sell them stuff, and all I can say is just about the whole trip I've more or less been able to see nothing but our own boat and some local people fishing. I've been in the most stunningly beautiful place, one of the most stunningly beautiful places I've ever been to in my whole life, and I've travelled a lot. And the only boat that bombarded us and tried to sell me something was a boat that sold me cold beer, and if you're going to bombard me and try and sell me anything, it might as well be a cold beer in one of the world's most beautiful places. So amen to that, and all I can say is if ever you're in the neighbourhood, come and check out Tam Coc in North Vietnam. Amazing. Make sure you come at about 4:30 in the afternoon, which is much later than any organised tourist would ever do. This is the thing, man, sometimes you get the best things by being disorganised, and make sure you get my guide Ling, because she's awesome. And that pretty much concludes one of the finest 2 hours that I've ever had in 21 years of traveling the world on my own. We finished the tour. Okay.
I pay for you.
Now we are back at Ling's house, drinking some tea. And look, admiring her handicrafts here she makes, and I think they're going to make me smoke some tobacco from this. How you call this, Ling? What is it? Okay, you film me? Okay. Put some tobacco, yeah? This is tobacco, yeah? Okay. This is nothing illegal. No marijuana, no. No timer. No tobacco, yeah? Okay. You can see? Oh, okay. This is what all the local men here in Vietnam seem to do in the evening. They smoke this and drink the tea. So I've never done anything like this before in my life, of course, if anyone in the Vietnamese police force is watching this. But this is just tobacco, actually. So holy shit. I'll just say it gives you something of a head rush. Not as good as the green stuff in my opinion, but definitely feel it in the head. Thank you, Lynn. And follow that up with a little bit of tea. And what a great day.